hari ni 12.50 tau keluar.
12.50.
12.45.
Okay.
30 weeks. You're about by scan also almost 30 weeks. 1.4 kilo. Very good.
Oh, 1.4 kilo. Wow, she's heavy.
No,
No?
not at all. Very good.
Okay. How big is she now actually? How? Oh,
His face.
yeah.
The left hand near the mouth. The cheeks so well seen.
Yeah. It's like so chubby.
That's very nice. The placenta up there. From head to bum is about 20 centimeters.
Oh. Okay. Is it small or
No, just nice.
just nice?
You're doing very well, this baby. Okay. And there's the buttock down here.
Yeah.
That's the bladder. It's fine. Okay, so the hands are at this end. Very good, Eve.
Okay.
Very, very